Guys, all the stories you've been hearing about DHT is just half the story, if even that. Watch till the end to truly know how to control DHT, as just stopping it can cause many problems in both men and women. Also, a big bonus, which I promise, will improve not only your hair, but also skin, and will be the single most powerful anti-aging method you have ever tried. We know that DHT affects hair growth, especially in men, and we end up trying to take stuff for reducing DHT in hopes to get results. But what if I told you this is the wrong approach? Taking DHT inhibitors, be it by topical application or even intake of certain supplements, has proven to be difficult, as it causes a lot of negative side effects, does not work properly for many, and messes with your hormones. Trust me when I say you do not want to mess with your hormones this way. It will cause more problems even for your hair. Now stay with me and don't conclude before you hear me out, as it's not what you think. So let's start by talking about insulin. Insulin is another type of hormone which is released by the body for helping balance blood sugar, nutrient uptake, and a bunch of other things. What's important to understand here is both of them are hormones, okay? The hormones in the body all work on different hormone axes, and each hormone axis is interdependent on the other. Often, when one hormone goes too high or too low, the others have to react, either to compensate or to adjust. The bottom line is that the hormones are affected by another. So, for example, a lot of people with diabetes often have thyroid hormone issues later down the line, depending on their genetics and severity of diabetes. In this case, it's the insulin hormone not being stable affecting the thyroid hormones. The thyroid itself is fine, but it is trying to adjust to the insulin fluctuating pattern that the body has had for years and years. So, you must be wondering, what has this got to do with anything related to hair loss and DHT? It's actually got everything to do with it. So listen carefully. If you can control one hormone and affect the other hormone, you can control the entire hormone axis in the body. Now your next question should logically be, how do I control any of these hormones and know how to do it in a balancing way to get results for hair growth without any negative side effects? Can you guess what this could be? I've already mentioned it in the video. If you know, type in the comments below and let me know before continuing. I will wait till you do. Okay, let's continue. So the one hormone that you can control safely and without paying millions is the insulin hormone. Do you understand the power behind this information? Do you understand how important hormone balance is, not for just hair loss, but for cancer prevention, for aging beautifully? It is literally the secret to youth and longevity. Let me explain further. Insulin, we know, can be controlled more or less by what you eat, how you eat, and even how often you eat. And what's crazy, the majority of the planet Earth suffers from some form of insulin problem. It is very hard to diagnose, as most standard blood tests will not see the fluctuation of insulin over a period of time. So you ask, how do I control insulin in a healthy, healing way for my hair growth and well-being, specifically to balance hormones, especially DHT, among other hormones? The simple answer is temporarily stop to all foods that create a reaction from insulin. Let me explain. Insulin reacts from carbs, sugar, and fat. These are what we must stop for a period of time, 2 weeks at the minimum, up to 1 year, depending on severity. Many people, however, just need a month or two, although hormone balance and improvement will start from week 2. You basically only eat lean animal protein like lean steak, white fish, and chicken. But priority is on lean red meat, as this is most bioavailable to the human body and helps repair the insulin function much faster than if you were just having white fish or chicken. Ask your questions below, and I'll be happy to answer them in detail. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.